The political landscape surrounding Zimbabwe has become increasingly fraught as the contentious domestic legislative push by President Mnangagwa's government collides head-on with a stern warning from the British Parliament. At the heart of this unfolding drama is the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, a piece of legislation that, if enacted, would fundamentally reshape Zimbabwe's political future, potentially extend President Mnangagwa's tenure until 2030, and dismantling key democratic safeguards. This internal maneuver, however, drawn the direct attention of the British House of Lords, which has explicitly linked Zimbabwe's cherished ambition of rejoining the Commonwealth to President Mnangagwa honoring the constitutional two-term limit. Sabina Mashkomlanyi Bachinzi 2030 plot turns dangerous as British Parliament hands President Mnangagwa a resignation or rejection ultimatum. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. This is no more diplomatic nicety. It is a calculated and public ultimatum that underscores the deep international concern over Zimbabwe's trajectory. Our investigation reveals a hidden tension between Harare and London, questioning whether President Mnangagwa will ultimately prioritize international legitimacy and the prospect of Commonwealth re-entry over the extended period of domestic control. The implications of the standoff are profound, not only for the nation's leadership, but for the average Zimbabwean whose future is being debated in the high-stakes arena of the international diplomacy. President Mnangagwa's alleged ambition to remain in power beyond his current term, which is set to expire in 2028, has been persistent and current in Zimbabwe politics. The ambition crystallized within the gazetting of the Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3 on 16 February 2026, framed by its proponents as a technical reform aimed at mitigating election-related toxicity and fostering a long-term economic growth. The bill is, in reality, a far-reaching proposal designed to consolidate executive power and weaken democratic accountability. Ndoma developments ari kupangwa inochiona kuti President Mnangagwa have been entangled constitutional amendments. Tichiona kuti paaraisa a tension between Zimbabwe and London panguva ino vachioffer mutungamiri wenyika kuti aresign or to be rejected. Mina comment section yedu tsofungura ili moti kudiva musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.